What's up everyone, this is Wayne. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. And I'm hoping some point this thing will get used this year for 2025. And I know that because you can see how much I expect that this thing's going to get used almost like quite a bit. I do like this got the tension change thing right there. You have to push this down to get it to safety to work, because if you don't, it won't do anything until you push the safety down, which is it's kind of what I expected this thing exactly, but I mean this thing could get used almost quite a bit because you can see how much you expected this thing exactly. I like it to see that to store it indoors, which you can't store it outside because unfortunately because of the cold movement, because how much I expected this thing exactly. But this is not a very bad looking chainsaw in my opinion. I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much I expected this thing is gonna get used almost quite a bit, because I do like this thing on. I see a lot of people take these off exactly, which I don't recommend you doing that, because there's just one screw right there to take this whole thing off. And I think it looks cool. This one has a manual order the chain. The GTA 40 has the compass arm which is in the back here, you can see, because I think it looks kind of good. Quite expected this thing exactly, because not only because of the way it's like on this machine exactly. It's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. I do like this thing one, so I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025. I'm sure this thing will get used this year because well, because you can see how much expected this thing is, because well, how can I just describe this a little bit? This thing is gonna get used no matter what. And well, I expected this thing is gonna get used almost quite a bit. I do like this thing a lot because you can see how much expected this thing is like. So I hope at some point this thing will get used this year for 2025. But otherwise, this is a pretty nice looking chainsaw.